Welcome to Scodeen Global.
C and C++ are powerful and fastest general-purpose programming language. It is the best choice to start with programming as it gives user a foundational understanding of programming. There is a lot of C code in the devices, products, and tools that billions of us use in our everyday lives. This code powers everything from the world's supercomputers to the smallest gadgets. In the real world, C and C++ are fast and strongly typed programming language, which makes it an ideal choice for developing various systems such as advanced computation and graphics, telecom switches and routers, libraries, cloud distributed systems, database management software, compilers, banking application, embedded systems, web browser, games, GUI-based applications, operating system. Considering business importance, Scodeen implement a high intelligent and sophisticated integrated syllabus. C, C++ and data structure algorithm that is DSA with complete combined structure. Program name is Enterprise Integrated Fundamental Programming, EIFP. Let's explore high-level syllabus for C, C++ and DSA, data structure algorithm. In C and C++ programming section we will cover C and C++ programming introduction. 2. Data types, variables and operators. 3. Conditional and control statements. 4. Arrays, strings and pointers. 5. Functions and OOPS concepts. 6. I/O streams, dynamic memory, and STL. 7. Exception handling, signal handling and multi-threading and much more. In data structure part we will cover linear non-linear, static and dynamic, array, linked list, stack, queue, tree and graph. We provide best placement support in industry. These are few offer letters who have got placed recently in top multinational company with high package. Should you have any questions, we will be pleased to answer them. Please feel free to contact us. Thank you very much.